Subscribe, Stinking Heads. We do upload a video or short every day. Hey, what's happening, Stinking Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and give this video a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Yes, sir. Too easy. That's 100 likes.
So we just want to come at y'all and let y'all know that Nike's been doing a lot of restocks. You know, we had the Canvas 4s restock on Foot Locker. They did have raffles for the Pandas. You know, Nike Dunk Day. You know, it's just been a real busy summer, and we're just going to come at y'all and share this unboxing that I won off the Foot Locker app. I'm really shocked that I won because normally I don't hit on dunks. But I got these. Bam.
Uh-oh.
So of course, we see these like a million times again. We
Uh-oh.
did show you the Panda highs. And now we have here the Unbreakables Panda lows.
Hey, those some nice shoes right there, my brother.
Yeah, so this is a very neutral tone. You can't rock these with a whole bunch of colorways.
Yeah.
And let's say the leather's not really, and I agree, but we did put out a short how I did find a panda just sitting there. So if you haven't done so already, go check that out. But hey, I got another one right here. Haven't got your pandas yet or need some more? Hey, they're out there, Stinking Heads. Just put in your footwork, put in your raffle, because they are continuing to restock, and resale prices aren't that high anymore. They used to go for $300 and $350, but now you can find these in almost any size, about 160 to like 200 at the most. So if you need these, hey, they're out there going. The number one shoe of all the dunk colors, Nike Dunk Low Pandas. Pandas, baby. Go and get them.
Hey, all day. I like them. I'm rocking those. Hey, and if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.